Thank you again for joining me for this last of 3 videos on how to draw very simple cartoon expressions. So in the first video I showed you how to draw eyes. Second video I showed you how to draw mouths. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to put them together in different ways and how you can then exaggerate and change those eyes and mouths a little bit to come up with thousands and thousands of different cartoon expressions. Okay, so with these eyes and mouths, it's all about kind of putting them together in different ways. So on this first one up here, I'm going to show you our angry eyes. So let's do that V shape that I showed you before. Let's show you those pupils going in there, and we have our angry eyes, okay? Now, the typical mouth to go with angry eyes, the first thing you might go for is the angry mouth. So let's do that peanut shell shape. Let's put those teeth in. And you have your angry mouth with angry eyes. But the thing is, you don't have to do an angry mouth with angry eyes. So if we do some angry eyes here again, so same eyes, but this time I want to do a sad mouth, and you get a completely different expression. This time, let's do a happy mouth, and all of a sudden my character looks really sinister, is up to no good. Completely different expression again. You might do your little surprise mouth. Different expression again. You might do your angry, kind of shouting mouth. Different expression again. And it's all about putting these different mouths and different eyes together in different ways. The other thing you can do, if we just go down to this one here. So this guy, we're going to do our angry eyes, okay? So it's the same as those two up there. Now, he looks angry, but what if I don't want my character to be quite as angry as that? So what I do is I do the V shape, but I do it less pronounced, okay? So it's still angry, but not quite so much. What if I want him to be more angry? I make it even more pronounced. So it's just a really deep V shape there. And those eyes become even more pronounced. So this guy is a little bit angrier than the guy further on. And this works with absolutely any of the eyes. So let's just start on here with our big wide open eyes. So these are happy or surprised eyes, okay? You got a nice happy smile. There we go, that guy's quite happy. Now then, what if I want my guy to be even happier? It's like really, really happy, but not quite happy enough to have a cheesy grin. So I do a bigger, more pronounced smile. What if I want my guy to be happy, but not quite as happy as that? And you do a smaller smile. It's still the same basic shape, still curving upwards, still got the little line underneath there, but you're just changing them around ever so slightly. Same works with the sad mouth and the snarling mouth and the shouting mouth, all exactly the same. And then it's just a case of putting them together in different ways. So you've got your sad eyes on there. You can see he looks really quite sad. You've got our sad eyes again. But this guy is a little bit more annoyed. And you have your sad eyes again. But this guy has got the smiling mouth on there as well. And that's it. It's really, really nice and simple. So by using those 6 different eyes, those 6 different mouths, putting them together in slightly different ways, you can come up with thousands of different expressions. So have fun, keep drawing the expressions, see what you can come up with. As ever, I would love to see what you guys do. Send us in your pictures. Love seeing the drawings that you guys come up with. Thank you for joining me, and I will see you all again soon.